Hello everyone. As you can see, we have something a little bit different on the table today. We have a pocket knife. One of the things that I absolutely can't do when I leave the house is to not leave without a pocket knife. So it's almost become an obsession for me. If I see a deal on Amazon for a new pocket knife, I almost always buy it. So what we're going to do today is take a closer look at, I believe this is called the Dime. Let's see if it's on here. Yeah, it's the Dime Multitool from Gerber. So we'll see if it's actually worth it. See what the size of this thing is, and go from there. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I don't plan on keeping the box, so it doesn't really matter what shape it's in. And as you can see, this thing is tiny, super tiny. But it should fit nicely in a pocket. As you can see, it does say Dime on it as the Gerber Dime. So it has wrench-like capabilities there, which is nice. Let's see, what else do we have here? We have a small file capability there. We also have, if we close this up first, let's see what we got. It's a little stiff. We've got a flathead. And then what else we got here? Go on this side. We've got scissors. Look at that. I can't tell you how many times I've been out and been like, it'd be nice to have scissors. And we kind of have some other stuff. I mean, come on. I do like the fact that it's got the bottle opener here, but it also will snap, and it snaps there very nicely as well. Not sure if there is anything under there. Probably isn't, since we already looked at the scissors. We've got the flathead. It'd be nice if there were some Phillips here. I wonder if there's Phillips. But anyways, it is small. It'll conceal nicely in your pocket. It's, yeah, I think that it'll go really well, actually, in the pocket. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual size here. Being extra special, we'll go ahead and zero that out. It's 2.3, we'll say 2.3 inches in the pocket, by a very small 0.8 inches wide. So there's not much to this. It is a little hefty though, as you would expect with all those small little tools in there. Yeah, super cool. All right, just taking a closer look at this, we do have some other tools. Obviously we have the box cutter side here. And that's the side with the bottle opener. If we go to the other side, we have more of a traditional knife, which is nice. It is pretty sharp as well. So, this is kind of like a Swiss Army replacement knife. I like the fact that it is a little smaller than a lot of the other ones that I've got. And the Swiss Army knives that I've had, the ones that had the pliers, were definitely much larger than this. I like how, trying to think of the right words here. I definitely like how that just snaps to get to this tool here. It's definitely a leg up on some of the other things. According to, the website here, it definitely says that it is a 12 tool, so it's got the spring-loaded needle nose pliers, standard pliers, and wire cutters. Could you use those for wire cutters? I mean, yeah. It's got the wire cutters right there, so that's good. It's got the tweezers, which I haven't found yet, so we'll go searching some more here. Bottle opener, which we saw. The fine edge blade we saw. Retail package opener we just saw as well. It's got the scissors we saw. It's got the flathead driver, and then it's got the fine and coarse fine and file, and then the lanyard ring. I don't know if I'd really call that a feature, but maybe. So yeah, that's it's a handy little tool. I'm definitely happy with it. I picked it up on sale, like I said. I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description for the Amazon link if you're interested in buying it. If you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you have any questions, like I said, ask down below. If you like the video, let me know with a thumbs up. And with that, have a great day.